Hi, my name is Mike and I will guide you through this video. This video will explain you the functionality of AX3000 Electro module based on BricsCAD. First of all, let's start with the utility room. Here we have decided to place an enclosure on the northern wall. Therefore, I select the element from the database. It was inserted into the database via using a 3D model. To have a second one, we are mirroring it to the right side. Afterwards, we work with external references to switch on other traits or other disciplines for coordination. We now know the position of our first cable tray. We select 2 points in the plan view, select the size, elevate it to the correct height, and change the length to 2000 millimeters. Now we have decided to change the path to the wall, so we define the first elbow. It should be 45 degrees, and afterwards the second one, a distance of 20 millimeters to the wall. And now we want to connect the enclosures to the cable tray, so we use extension T pieces because of their easier usage. After inserting the extension T, we enlarge the cable tray to the wall, use an elbow going down in front of the wall to connect the first enclosure. For the second enclosure, we quite simple copy this construction. As the next step, we want to use fixtures to mount the cable trays to the ceiling. 3 for the first duct and 1 at this position. To finish this step, we continue at the end of the elbow, go forward with the same cable tray size, and finish the last part of the system with a smaller one. It should be straight on the left side. We also add fixtures here to mount the cable trays to the wall to finish it. Inside the rooms, we want to model the conduits, the elements, and the junction boxes. So let's start with a double junction box close to the wall. It should be a vertical one, and all the others can be placed in the same way. So we add a few 80 mm round junction boxes. For modeling the conduits, we use 3D polylines to connect these junction boxes. Also, the lamps are placed inside the room onto the ceiling. To finish this step, we use a function to extrude the conduits along the lines. Now we have 3D elements and our model is finished. This can be done for all other rooms. Thanks for watching this video about AX3000 Electric module.